All right, let's take it on home. We got a couple minutes. This would be perfect timing. So summarize the best practices. Number one, put numbers to your gut. Think about that gas and chemical process in there. They had 500 times less gas, and they needed 500 times less gas than they thought, right? They had a gut feeling that they needed less. They just didn't know how much less. They put a number to it, opened up a whole new blue ocean. Okay? From just-in-time engineering, track your progress in iterations, not finished drawings. What does it matter if the drawing is finished? You have to do the rework, do it all over again in the next iteration. Just like the guy said in the lean startup, think about this build, measure, learn cycle. You want to go through that as fast as possible. Why? If you're trying to make a new product and you've got competitors, they're working on the same physics as you. If they start going through that cycle faster than you, they've won, right? You're not going to catch them. So your job is to accelerate this cycle. One of the ways we see our customers doing it is with virtual testing. You know, failing early, failing often. One of the guys says, retire risks early. You want to figure out your risks early, so fail early.
Fail early, fail often.
Exactly. If you do it virtually, there's no cost. There's no shame in it. On that on that topic, explore. You know, all these best practices are meant to work together. Explore. While you're failing, try some crazy ideas, right? Try them virtually. You know, go into new physics regimes. Go into new operating environments. You know, maybe make something too thin that you think it won't work. Maybe it does. Right? Explore and explore that heat, especially for high-tech industries, a lot of electronics. Track that heat. It's just as important as the stress and the strain. The managers will say, well, I don't have time for that. I can't have my guys exploring all their time. They have to get some actual work done, right? Do the exploring. Set your system up to run over the weekend, to run overnight, to run during those 3-hour-long meetings that all engineering departments have, right? Think with your iron in the fire. Explore while you're doing other stuff. It's very easy to do with modern software. And finally, number 5, remember the Hyatt Regency. Make a checklist. Have some stuff you want to check every single iteration just to make sure you don't miss anything. Run some simulation studies to find those answers. And in fact, you can run those checklist studies during number 4. Over the weekend, before you release it, right? You can run those checklist studies with the iron in the fire.
More importantly, don't forget to don't skip the checklist. That's where simulation comes in handy.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it'll make sure you go through it if you have a good process. All right.